I'm Rye. Thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm going to make a roast beef and potato pizza in the Gozney Dome Gen 2 XL. I'm going to get a little flour on my work surface here before I turn out my dough. This is my 63% hydration dough. I'll put the link to the video I did on that in the video description. And get up here and start stretching the dough. I'm going to stretch the dough on the back of my hands, letting gravity do some work here. It is generally round. Start with a little bit of sauce here. This is just plain pureed tomatoes with some salt, nothing else. Got a very bright flavor to it. Like to taste the tomatoes. Really, any sauce will work with this. Let me get some cheese here, and there's a 50-50 blend of mozzarella and white cheddar. I've started to really like that mix. It's freshly grated. It's nice, really thinly shaved roast beef here. I didn't make this myself. Could have, but didn't have time. Got this from the deli and asked them to shave it as thin as I could. It's pretty good. Got some really thinly shaved potatoes here. Used my mandolin. Also got some shallots. Could also use red onion, but shallots bring a really nice flavor to this too. A little different than onion. I need a little drizzle of olive oil. My pizza oven's at temp. I've got an ambient temp of about 750 degrees and a deck temp of about 750 degrees. Let's get it in. Looking good. Got my flame turned all the way down. Base is looking good. Maybe just another few seconds. I think we're done. That is a good looking pie. Let's check our undercarriage. Let's cut some. I think the only thing I would do different next time is I would crisp up the potatoes in a cast iron pan in the pizza oven first. They're good, but they didn't get that color, and I don't want to burn the rest of the pizza just to get them, so I should have done that, but let's see how it tastes. That is tasty. Nice crust structure there. This 63% hydration dough that I use, I really like it. It's kind of an all-around. I mean, I wouldn't use it if I'm going for, say, straight Chicago thin crust. That's a little bit different. It works so well on so many things.